Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a balance sheet template in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in Balance Sheet. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel will load several templates for balance sheet. Let's click on the first one. In the window that opens, Excel tells you about this template and what it is best used for. You can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the different balance sheet templates. Each template will give you a brief description on what it can be used for. When you find the balance sheet template that you like, click on Create. Excel will load your balance sheet template, ready for you to use. This balance sheet template has a Summary tab, an Assets tab, where you input all your assets, a Liabilities tab, and a Categories tab, for each of your categories. On each of the pages, click on cell A1, and it will tell you about the information on that page. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.